Let us now take another interesting question from profit and loss. A dishonest dealer claims to sell his goods at the cost price, but uses a weight of 800 grams instead of 1 kg. What will be the profit percentage in this transaction? So as you can see here, this dishonest person claims that he is selling the goods at the cost price. That means selling price is equal to cost price. And we understand very well that if the selling price and the cost price are same, there will not be any profit or any loss. But he uses a weight of 800 grams instead of 1 kg. So definitely he would make some profit by giving 800 grams instead of 1 kg. And we are supposed to find out what will be the profit in terms of percentage in such a transaction. So let's see how to solve this question. As given in the question, selling price is equal to the cost price. Let us assume that the cost price of the item here is 1000 rupees per kg. That means 1000 rupees for 1000 grams. If cost price is 1000 rupees per kg, selling price should also be equal to 1000 rupees per kg. And we know that profit percentage can be taken as S minus C by C into 100. So let us try to substitute the probable selling price and the cost price and find out the profit percentage. Let's say 1 kg of the item is sold. Now if 1 kg is sold, the selling price will be equal to 1000 rupees. Why? Because the selling price is 1000 rupees per kg. So we can say that the selling price is 1000 rupees. But we very well understand that instead of 1 kg, he has given only 800 grams. And the costing for 800 grams will be rupees 800. Why? Because 1000 rupees per kg means 1000 rupees for 1000 grams. So if it is 1000 rupees for 1000 grams, the cost price for 800 grams will be 800 rupees. So very clearly what he gets is 1000 rupees. But what he has spent there is only 800 rupees. So we can say 1000 minus 800. 800 is the cost price. Divided by 800 will be the answer into 100. So 1000 minus 800 will be equal to 200 and 200 by 800 is 1 by 4. So 1/4 is equal to 25%. So we can say that the profit made would be 25%. Let me repeat this once again. The simple point here is cost price and selling price are equal and we are assuming that the price here is 1000 rupees per kg. So if he sells 1 kg, the customer will pay him 1000 rupees thinking that he has got 1 kg. So the selling price should be taken as 1000. But as he has given only 800 grams instead of 1 kg, the costing for the shopkeeper will be only 800 rupees. Because 1000 rupees per kg is 1000 rupees for 1000 grams. So 800 rupees for 800 grams. So that is the reason the cost price is 800. Now by simplifying this, we get the answer as 25%. So this is the concept behind getting the answer for these type of questions. And this question can also be solved with the help of the shortcut formula, which goes as follows. The percentage profit will be equal to true weight minus the false weight by false weight into 100. So if you can remember this formula, you can directly get the answer as true weight minus false weight by false weight into 100. Now the true weight here is nothing but 1 kg, but he is using a false weight of 800 grams. So true weight here should be taken as 1 kg and the false weight is 800 grams. So the answer should be 1 kg. That should be taken in terms of grams. So which is equal to 1000 grams minus 800 grams by 800 grams into 100. Which is same as 1000 minus 800 by 800 into 100. So either we can use the shortcut formula, that is true weight minus false weight by false weight into 100, or solve the question by the concept as given here.